So on this series 2, we will now begin our structural detailing. So coming back to where we stopped on series 1, this was where we stopped. Once you have exported this drawing, the next thing to do is to do what? Open the drawing. Now I'll open this drawing now, and then it will display in AutoCAD. So before this time, you must have AutoCAD installed in your computer or laptop. Alright, so you allow it to now open up in AutoCAD. Now once this opens up now, it will display in your AutoCAD. Not this one. This was the one work I was doing previously, not this one. So you like to do a display. Once it's done loading, it will display in AutoCAD here. Now once this displays, as you can see now, it is now come to AutoCAD. Now once this comes here now, this is how it appears. Now this is not the time we will now have to, let me also delete this one. I don't need this. All right, I don't need this. So it is not time that we now have to do what? Again, open our Stonebridge structural detailing template. So we open up the Stonebridge. If you don't have that, any material that you're looking for that I am using on this course video that you don't have, you can go to Google and type and search for Ekidel store, Ekidel, then put store with it, and then you will see the link will appear. Now the template I'm using for this is called Stonebridge detailing template. So I'll minimize my AutoCAD now and then go and locate on my document where I already have my Stonebridge already installed. So if I scroll down now, you will see this Stonebridge 2026. All right, I have 24, but I'm using 2026 because that is the latest. So I'll open this up now. And once I open it up now, it will display this. I will then open up this also here. I'll open this one, and then I will then open this particular file here. Right? Sorry. I'll open this up now. Now, once the Stonebridge template opens, as you can see that this is the interface. The first thing I'll do is to go directly and locate the particular. It has several tabs, as you can see, bidding on slab raft, bidding on pie, bidding on beam raft, bidding on different things. All right. So, but right now, while we are dealing on building on pad foundation. So I will come now and locate that. You can see here, bidding on pad foundation. I will come here and then open this particular template. So I'll come now and open this up for that to open up. Now once this opens up now, I'll wait for that to load. Now once this loads up now, I'll wait for it to load again. Now as it comes up, the next thing we'll do is to copy our extracted drawing from Proto Detail into this Stonebridge template. Okay, that is fine. So I'll wait for that to finish up displaying. Okay, yeah. So this is now the interface of Stonebridge template based on pad footing. As you can see it here, this is the cover page, and then this is all the sample drawing that we have here. Okay, so we are going to make sure that our detailing is in standard to what we have here on the Stonebridge template. Okay, that's fine. So with this now, I will then come now and open back this our redrawing now. This our actual drawing that we are going to detail for. I will highlight this like this, right? Or press Ctrl A to copy everything and Ctrl C to now let's now go and paste it. So I'll press Ctrl C now. Okay, since I've already highlighted everything. Now on pressing Ctrl C, allow it to copy. Now once everything copies, we'll then move to the Stonebridge detailing template on pad footing and then paste the file on the rectangle that you're seeing there. So I'll come now, open back the Stonebridge here, click on the rectangle here, make sure I'm there, right click and then Ctrl V. Now on the Ctrl V now, I will then hold on for a while and then come here, hold on for a while, and then wait for it to paste. I'll then come now and then click on what? Paste. Okay, just click on anywhere at all. Now on doing that now, the drawing will be pasted inside the rectangle. Then we can now begin to do what? Work on our drawings from there. So on this now, this is now the time that our full structural detailing begins. Okay, that is fine. So knowing this, we will then begin with we will now begin to do what? Detail our drawing based on what we have here as they are being arranged on this Stonebridge sample drawing. Okay, that is fine. So that will be on the series 3. Okay, we'll now begin with the detailing itself. Okay, see you on the series 3.